Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you buy USDT into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open this Bitget wallet application. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to select this option of markets. Tap there and then you will get this section where you can get trading options. Now into this section, you just simply have to search for USDT. And after searching USDT, all of the options will be available here. Just simply select USDT which you would like to buy, and then you will get this option of buy directly. Tap to that and then you can select the amount and pay for that specific amount, and USDT will be bought by your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.